We're blind ranking waifus today. And if you guys like the video, like the video. It's a solid 2 right there. Solid 2. We're starting underage, so we're going to put her a little lower. Maybe a 7. Maybe. It's an easy 1 right there. Very easy. It's an easy 10 right there. Dope. I'll go 6. Yeah. I'm going to put her at 4 just because she technically was my first waifu. It's a 9 right there. It's pretty. Mommy, Maki, oh no. We'll go 3. So we got 2 more. 8. So I feel like we're going to get something better for 5. Meh. It's pretty solid. Like the video.